Hi friends, it's Deborah Murrow with the COLORME Art Spa doing yet another COLORME Canvas. Well, you can participate in this one. Please join us Thursday, March 4th for the weekend in the Superstition Mountains in Gold Canyon, Arizona. We will be at a retreat called Purpose in the Pain. There'll be lots of fun things to do, great speakers, hiking, yoga, relaxation, of course, art session with COLORME Art Spa. And it'll just be a great time. So come out today, PM me for details, and I'll tell you all about it. Thanks so much for listening.